What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel. Today we're going to make some Kellogg's Eggo French Toaster Sticks Cinnamon Ice Cream Rolls. I bet this is bomb, so I can't wait to try it. So let's get it. Actually have some done right out of the toaster. Let's go ahead and do 3. Before I forget it, I know on my French toast I like some syrup. Alright guys, what we have in here is cream and sweetened condensed milk. Smells pretty good. I did a peanut butter and maple syrup one. That was really good as well. I'm gonna have to do that one for a video. Smells like breakfast. I think we'll give it one more chop just to make sure everything's all good. Let's add a little caramel in the middle here. Hershey's caramel syrup, guys. Alright, let's see if I can get these to roll. Well, this one isn't working out very well at all. Yeah, this isn't working out at all for me, guys. smells really good, guys, actually. Just a little whipped cream. A little bit more caramel. Oh, I can't wait to taste it. Oh wow. Tastes like French toast. That's pretty good, guys. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. And you guys have a great